What's good, Gen Squad? Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl GeniGen. For those of you that don't know who I am, now you know who your girl is. Welcome to my channel. So we came for another photo shoot. I know you guys like the vlogs because I did a poll and y'all want some vlogs. So you guys like to come on my adventures. So we came somewhere pretty local to home. We came to a little park just to take some little Valentine's Day pictures. And if you're wondering who I'm with, it's Melody. Mood, me putting my hand. I was like this, covering your face. It's pretty cute. Like, let me show you guys. We're in Signal Hill. We're still in the car, but this is just, you know, the little vibes for right now. But let's go take some pictures. But first, I'm thirsty. Hold up. All right, so we're trying to find a little spot. We walked up the other way, but it was pretty, but the lighting didn't look too good. So we're just gonna walk up a little bit more up this way. Maybe right here would be kind of cute.
Going up?
Yeah, but even the spot right here too. Look,
yeah.
guys. Like, well, this is just a thought, but right here would be cute too.
I was so desperate for your love. I was in free fall, 'cause I was not enough. I tried to do the thing.
Oh, so we just went around
up there.
So we just went around like from where we came from.
We can start up there and
Okay.
then roll back down.
Okay, sounds good. So we just came to this little park in Signal Hill to take pics. It's a little neighborhood, but it's pretty cute. We're gonna go up here, take pics, and then we're gonna come back down and take pics. And then I think we're gonna go to the pike to take pics. Mood. Oh, look at how pretty my... You guys, this really does like shine like this. You can see it in camera how it's shining.
I'm like...
Melo's changing into her...
Melo learned her lesson after wearing heels and dying.
Yeah, Melo learned her lessons from wearing heels and dying. When we went to LA, huh? Yeah. Me too. That day, but you know, I already knew, but I hadn't done that in a while because I used to do that for PHP, but we would do that for days, dude. I mean, they would kind of low-key judge you
My
if
mom's
you were...
always like, how is this not professional in heels? But sometimes the beaches are.
I know, same.
It's one tweet.
Ooh, it's cold. Look at outfit cam. Melody. I'm like outfit cam.
I like to move real close after waking up, mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding on. Remember the day we first met and the love we found, dancing in the darkness. I won't let you run. In your arms, I can't get close enough. When you're around, I get butterflies that never stop. And I know that you're the only one. I should give you credit, waiting by the phone. I miss you, but this time I know the feeling. You want me and I'm happy to be waiting. When the light is out, nowhere to be found, I'll just close the door and go for a closer run. Closer run, closer run,
Came to another section over here to take pics. Mood. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see. 11:11. Tap the fucking.
I approached you with the loaded gun. Didn't know that you were carrying a similar one. But all the pain blew away like a ball spray in the sun. In your arms, I can't get close enough. When you're around, I've got butterflies that never stop.
What's good, y'all? So, change of phone quality. Well, we're on my phone now because my camera died. I kind of didn't charge the battery. That's my bad. Because I didn't expect to vlog. You know, I just be very spontaneous nowadays, so that's why. But we made it to the pike. We're at the pier. We're gonna take a couple more photos and then we're gonna grab a bite to eat because sis is hungry. Like dead ass hungry. So yeah, we're just gonna take a couple more pics and you already know.
Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it. Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it.
I like to move real close after waking up. Mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding up. Remember the day we...
So we're trying to find good spots to take a picture. And it's looking like we're finding a spot or two. Dude, my hair has fallen. This wind did not do justice to my hair. Like, it flattened the shit out of my hair. I'm gonna sit on the rocks like I'm gonna feel like a little mermaid.
Oh yeah.
Little aerial vibe.
Alright, I'm gonna have to take off this coat because my Converse do not match with it.
Oh yeah.
Should I take off the belt
No, it's cute.
with the Converse?
It gives me like little Latina, like Selena vibes. Low key, I have a Merv and I need to take it out. I need to take out my Merv. What?
There's nobody behind you.
I know, I'm trying to pick it out. It's because I only have underwear on, so it's like, and a skirt, so I can't pick it out. It's okay. It's gonna turn into a thong. You can't even see anyways that I have a merch, so it's okay.
Right.
If you could see, then I would have took it out.
Ready, Freddie?
Yes. I'm gonna try and vlog this while I'm nude. I hope nobody got to see that.
Well, you could edit.
No, I mean like my ass. I hope y'all can see this. Low-key, I forgot I was recording you guys. Don't take it personal. Ooh. You guys are full of sand now. Los limpié. Alright guys, we're trying to figure out what we gonna eat.
Hungry's time.
No, deadass. We hungry. We're probably, I don't know if I should get the sirloin, center cooked sirloin, or the filet mignon.
I'm still going for the filet.
Victoria's filet mignon, bro. It's a thick cut, just thick cut. It's because that sounds dank. I'm gonna try that.
I want to get full to avoid the chocolate cake.
Mood
It's because it looks so good.
We can share a chocolate cake.
Look.
Let me see. It does look bomb. Look, you guys. Show them. It looks bomb. The chocolate cake.
You can't show me chocolate now.
Yeah.
That looks good too.
My favorite. Oh yeah. That's why I was like looking at the pastas too. I was like, ¿qué tenemos aquí? Huh? You guys, so we came to the beach and those birds are gonna attack them for their food.
Look, that one's the leader.
Look. It's just scoping. Look at those crazy ass birds. Mood. Look.
Eva.
Look. Oh my gosh. Look at the kids are leaving. Dude, that's a little scary. Bitch, I would have ran. Dude, oh my god. Genesis, what is this? That's not normal. Look, even he's like,
Oh shit.
Mood and I put the You guys, look at this shit.
What is it?
Dude, what the? It's like they're all calling them. I don't know, but I get a bad vibe off
Mira, ahí
this.
vienen. Sí, ya.
Oh shit, dude, I get a bad vibe off of them. Oh my god, look. They're like going in on this shit. They're like, comida!
Bala.
You guys, so we're right here at the beach just chilling, right? In the car. And, these fucking birds are about to attack these people in front of us. Because they have food they're eating, so.
Are we sure they're eating? They were eating in the car.
Oh, I don't know if they're eating, TBH. I don't know why they're like trying to attack them, but it's kind of scary. But low key, once they pulled up, I kind of got a bad vibe from them. The kids just bounce because they're scared. I'll be scared too, TBH, because they're like trying to like attack them, and it's like the couple.
Yeah.
On the couple, like, ooh. That's sketchy.
Dude, they're all on the floor now.
Well, she's eating. I don't know, y'all. Oh, and by the way, sorry, I forgot to show y'all my food. We was hungry. Like, yo nomás tragamos y los fuimos. Literally.
You show me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking